Hey XRP holders! The moment we have all been patiently waiting for has finally arrived. This is a truly pivotal moment, and in today's video, we'll analyze some of the latest market updates, especially what to keep in mind for the short-term outlook. This will not only help you better understand XRP's current position, but also prepare you mentally to face changes that may occur in the near future. With the festive atmosphere in full swing, as Christmas approaches, I want to send a message to those who feel worried or pressured by the market to temporarily put those thoughts aside. This is a great time to spend time with family, friends, and the people you love most. Don't forget to enjoy the festive atmosphere, because sometimes we need to take a step back to see things more clearly. Don't worry too much about short-term market fluctuations. Remember, 2025 is just a few days away, and it is being predicted to be a breakout year for crypto in general, especially for XRP. This is not only an opportunity for the market to recover, but also opens up stronger growth possibilities than ever. Forecasts show that the development of the cryptocurrency market in the coming year will surprise us all. So, whether you are a long-time investor or just starting to participate in this market, this is the time to keep the faith and look to the future with optimism. Don't forget that, in this volatile financial world, the most successful people are always those who have a long-term vision and know how to take advantage of opportunities when they appear. Continue watching the video to discover more important information and useful advice so you can make wise investment decisions in the near future. And don't forget, this is a journey we are all going through together. Wishing you and your family a peaceful, happy Christmas and a successful New Year. Welcome everyone to the MMO Crypto channel. By the end of this video, I hope you'll consider subscribing. Let's dig into the market updates, starting with Bitcoin, currently trading at around $95,000. Not much has changed in the past few days, but the bigger picture is worth noting. Did you notice something interesting? Even though the market seems volatile, XRP is still generating impressive numbers. Currently, XRP is trading at $218 and showing outstanding strength with gains of 4.77% over the past 30 days, 328% over the past 60 days, and 282% over the past 90 days. These are not small numbers and are certainly a clear demonstration of the strong potential of this currency. But why is there such a contrast in investor psychology? While some are optimistic about XRP's performance, many investors are increasingly pessimistic about altcoins, including XRP. This may come from concerns about short-term fluctuations or from the market entering an adjustment period, something everyone knows is inevitable. When we zoom in on short-term movements, the feeling of confusion is understandable. However, try zooming out and looking at the big picture. XRP's one-year chart shows a different story, a hopeful one. Market corrections are natural, and XRP's recent entry into a consolidation period is just part of that cycle. Should we be worried? In the short term, there may be slight declines or pain as the market continues to seek stability, but remember, every correction brings an opportunity to build strength for a larger recovery down the road. If you have a long-term view, XRP is still a bright opportunity with incredible potential. This is the time for you to reconsider your investment strategy. Don't let short-term fluctuations make you lose your long-term view of a promising future. Ask yourself, will you be a trendsetter as XRP continues to break out, or will you just stand on the sidelines and watch the opportunity pass by? Have you ever wondered why the Bitcoin market can fluctuate dramatically in just a few days? This is an interesting phenomenon that we all need to pay attention to. Bitcoin's current price trajectory is indeed a good example. Just 6 days ago, Bitcoin seemed unstoppable, trading at nearly $98,000. Investors are filled with optimism, believing that the upward price trend will continue. But then, what happened to make market sentiment change so quickly? The answer lies in 2 words: profit. The holiday season is a special time for many investors. This is when they take profits from successful investments to buy gifts for family, prepare for year-end taxes, or simply take a moment to rest from market pressures. This leads to a wave of selling, and when many people do this, it creates a domino effect, pulling down the price of Bitcoin. However, don't forget that every discount period brings with it opportunities. Do you recognize the opportunity? The reality is that when the market is correcting, this is the last chance for smart investors to position themselves before the next big market wave appears. 2025 is expected to be a breakthrough year for Bitcoin and the entire cryptocurrency market. So, will you choose to stand on the sidelines and let the opportunity slip away, or will you take advantage of this moment to prepare yourself for a better position? The market is always changing, but opportunities only come to those who are willing to act. Ask yourself, are you ready to embrace the future? Have you ever wondered why Bitcoin attracts so much attention, not only from retail investors, but also from large institutions? Think about it. Why does a digital asset have such strong attraction, to the point where it becomes the focus of the entire financial industry? The stories surrounding Bitcoin are becoming increasingly heated, especially as it continues to enter the public eye. Big names like VanEck or influential figures like Cynthia Lummis are constantly raising awareness about Bitcoin's potential. Did you know? VanEck even predicted that Bitcoin could reach $42.3 million by 2049. Not only is this an unthinkable number, but it is also associated with significant economic impacts, such as helping to reduce the national debt by 35 to 36% by 2050. Sounds too ambitious, right? But if we look at what is happening, things are not completely impossible. Growing support from major financial institutions and growing interest from consumers have created a huge momentum behind Bitcoin. It is not just a simple digital asset, but also a symbol of the transformation of the financial industry. So the question is, do you have enough faith in Bitcoin to take a chance at this stage, or will you wait to see if these predictions come true? With all the backing from large institutions and cash flow from retail investors, Bitcoin is on the threshold of a new chapter in financial history. Where will you be in this story? Have you ever imagined that Bitcoin could reach huge prices like $745,000 or even $13 million? Sounds unbelievable, right? But these numbers are not just unrealistic predictions, but are backed by the strong development of large financial institutions. Huge companies like BlackRock and Fidelity, giants in the global financial industry, are taking a pioneering role in bringing cryptocurrencies closer to the masses. They not only help raise awareness but also open doors for investors of many different classes, from individual investors to large investment funds. This isn't just a financial trend, this is a revolution underway. So what does the participation of large organizations bring? First of all, it creates greater stability and trust in the market, something that cryptocurrencies have lacked in the past. However, the dominance of these organizations also makes opportunities for retail investors increasingly narrow. Big players have taken over the market, but that doesn't mean you no longer have a chance. Ask yourself, what does this signal about the future of Bitcoin? Will you take advantage of this moment to get in before the market develops further? Or will you stand on the sidelines and let the opportunity pass you by? As large institutions have put their faith in cryptocurrencies, it is also a clear sign of the strength of the market, a market that you can become a part of if you act at the right time. The participation of BlackRock, Fidelity, and other major institutions not only strengthens Bitcoin's position in mainstream finance, but also opens a new chapter for cryptocurrency. The question is, will you be a pioneer of this trend or an outside observer? Bitcoin may be taking over the media, but are you missing out on the big opportunities offered by altcoins like XRP? While all eyes are on Bitcoin, XRP is quietly strengthening its position in the market, and this opens up many remarkable possibilities that we should not ignore. Even though it just lost the important support mark at $221 USD, don't worry, XRP's technical structure is still stable. A strong demand zone between $2.04 and $2.12 is being viewed as potential support, acting as an important cushion before any further correction. But what is most notable is the sustained higher lows. Why is this important? In the trading world, higher lows are a clear signal that a bullish trend is still in place. For XRP, holding on to this structure could set the stage for a strong breakout. At that point, higher resistance levels, including the 3 mark, will no longer be impossible. In fact, once it surpasses this threshold, XRP can completely aim for higher goals. pushing the price to the level that many investors are still expecting. So the question is, do you have enough patience and vision to wait for this opportunity? In a market where all the attention is on Bitcoin, those who take advantage of altcoins like XRP could be the ones to reap the biggest profits. Are you ready to be a part of this journey? Bitcoin dominance is showing signs of weakening, which could be bullish for altcoins like XRP in 2025. If XRP maintains its structure and Bitcoin regains key levels like $97.6 thousand, we could see significant moves in the market. ETF approval for XRP and other altcoins in 2025 could also attract institutional investment, fueling further growth. In summary, the market is currently bracing for volatility and maintaining a long-term view. Whether it's Bitcoin or XRP, the critical time to act is now. Monitor important levels, monitor structural patterns, and stay informed. If you want real-time updates, don't forget to subscribe to our free crypto MMO channel. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay safe and enjoy the holidays. Be at peace.